Crystal Springs, Arkansas, at a place called Burl's Booth, something like that. It's a little country store with a bunch of random antiques and dude, inflation. Let me tell you, $9 for some pickles, $9 for some jam. I want to buy some of this stuff, but I'm not paying like, you know, $16 for some of these items. We got pickled eggs, pickled Polish sausage, barbecue seasoning, popcorn, bunch of weird old giant old cash registers, my favorite. That's interesting, that green one. Old-timey phone booth, complete with the phone. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Homemade bread. Railroad lanterns. Old knife and fork set. There's quite the menagerie of random stuff in here. Look at this. What is this? This is one of the most random places. What the hell's Scotch whiskey bottle? So yeah, this is a little town. Well, it's not really a town. It's just a little place. Yeah, it's called Burl's. That's a clean S10. You don't usually see them that clean nowadays. It's in that color too. That's an original turquoise paint. So yeah, there's just this little place on the side of the road, and it's pretty goofy. There's just a bunch of random crap out here, but I enjoy it. Wow, this is an old like mill of some sort, I guess. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Little creek. Oh, maybe this is a real old mill. Maybe this was the site of an actual old mill. Huh. Quite possibly. This doesn't look that old on the inside, but maybe it's been restored a bit. And then they have these rail cars out here, which is also how they get those here. That must have been quite a chore. I don't think we're near a railroad at all. Yeah, okay, Burl's Smokehouse Barbecue and assorted antique junk. Oh. Oh, nice. Original toilet. Oh, maybe it's original. I don't know. This has been kind of gutted. Not a whole lot to see here. But still, interesting. Somewhat interesting. Looks like these have been sitting here for quite some time. Anyway, if you're near Hot Springs, Arkansas, you can always come to Burl's Smokehouse Barbecue and buy some very expensive jam. So there you have it.